recipe from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a Ya Kun style French toast in an air fryer.
Please like, share and subscribe to my Busy Daddy Cooks.
In a wide bowl, combine 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk. This is a local recipe, so there's no cinnamon, no honey, unlike the American recipes. Beat the mixture with a fork. You can see some of the egg white here. Continue to beat till you don't see this egg white anymore. Cut 3 slices of sandwich bread into 1/3 strips. I am only cutting up a slice here as I have some bread left over from my egg and ham breakfast sandwich video. If you would like to try my egg and ham breakfast sandwich video as well, the link is in the card above and the description below. Dip the slices of bread into the egg mixture. Leave the bread in the mixture for about 20 seconds on each side. This is to allow the bread to soak up as much egg as it can. Place the pieces of bread into the air fryer. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 to 5 minutes. You can serve this with some syrup and fruits. But this is a Singapore breakfast, so serve this with some kaya instead. This is a quick and easy Ya Kun style French toast made in an air fryer.